Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. Yes, it is another haul. I have been shopping this week, but I couldn't resist because Moyou London had a bit of a sale on, so I thought I would go and check out the website, and I ended up putting a few things in my basket. It has finally arrived. I didn't get too much, but I did get just a few new plates and some stamping supplies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I have bought, and then I'm going to give you a little tour through this box here, which is my own stamping collection. So anyway, let's get started. I should get in here. So, oh, I'm so excited. So the first thing that I bought was a new stamper. Now I wanted a large stamper. I wasn't too sure sort of roughly how big this one would be compared to the one that I'm using at the moment. But anyways, okay, so this is the Moyou Your Best Crystal Clear Stamp and Scraper. Lovely packaging as always. A little bit of plastic and it just will not get off my hand. Okay, so what have we got inside? We have the scraper, and then we have the stamper. Now, as far as I'm aware, this is the largest one that they sell. Does it screw off or pop off? No, it pops off. Okay, so that's it. That is the clear one. It should be crystal clear, hopefully. You can take the bottom off as well too, so you can actually sort of see through. Totally crystal clear, actually. Wow, that's good. That is super clear, yeah. So I like that. I did expect it to be a bit bigger and probably a little shorter, if truth be told. I don't think it needs to be that depth, but maybe it's just sort of comparing it to the one that I'm using at the minute, which I'll show you guys in a bit. So but yep, that looks great. I'm really liking that. Let's see. Okay, and just some paperwork, and then these are the new plates that I have bought. I can't actually remember what ones I purchased, but let's get into them. Some of these were on sale and some of them were full price. So this is the animal one. I think this one was on sale. Yeah, this is the animal one, number 14, Nala, and it is all about little cats. So I am mad about cats. I love cats. So it's got like little cat faces and I heart cats and meow and all little cute sort of cat prints there. Look at the paw prints. Oh, they're so cute. So I am so looking forward to using that there. They've got some gorgeous animal plates, so go and check them out. All different things, exotic animals, little dogs, cats, all sorts. Next one I bought is the Tropical 06. And this is more kind of, as you can see, there's flamingos, there's parrot there. No, sorry, parrot, two parrots. Cockatiels, puffins, hummingbird, leaves, and different sort of designs. So that looks really nice. I like that, and that'll be good for sort of summery meals. I think that one was on offer too. Then we have the Festive 58, which is it's actually an Easter plate. Now this one was definitely on offer. And I don't have an Easter plate, so I thought, yeah, I must get a Easter plate. And there was just sort of some real cute little things on there, like sort of like little bees and flowers and like just wee ladybirds and things. So that there could be used sort of springtime, as well as this here, bunnies and flowers, and then they've got like a little Easter egg design and things like that there. So there's lots of cute little details on that plate, which will come in useful for Easter. And then we have the Rockstar plate, and that's kind of music inspired, as you can imagine. So you've got sort of sound waves here and CDs and little music notes and headphones and just sort of stuff like that there. So yeah, so I thought I would get something just a bit different. This one here then is the Enchanted plate, which, oh, I just love this plate. You've got sort of like foxes and just really cute, like little sort of like animals and leaves and things like that there. So I think that will be cute as well too for sort of spring designs. There's just all sorts of different wee animals on there, so that looks really cool. And then lastly, we have the Botanical, which is one that I really wanted as well too, because it's got all different types of birds on it, and I don't have a plate with lots of like nice little pretty sort of birds and flower motifs like that there. So I thought that one would be really good, and good for as well too the like of the watercolor painting, which is great for stamping. So yeah, so that is my haul. I should show you through my collection now, and you can have a look at some of the stamping stuff that I have already. Okay guys, so this is my stamping box. It is an old Ted Baker gift box, which I was bought a couple of years ago, but I thought it was really pretty. Didn't want to throw it out, and I thought that it could house some of my stamping supplies. So to just jump right into the plates, this one here from Moyou London, this is the Scandi 06 plate. Don't use this a lot, and there's a couple of images that I think is quite nice, but don't use it a massive amount. Should probably use it a bit more, because there is some cute little images on that there. This is the Sailor 05 plate. I have used this quite a bit, more so for the scales and stuff like that there, for mermaid type nails. So this is a really good plate to have in your collection, which is the Sailor 05. Next we have the Princess 10, which is just a cute plate filled with like rainbows and strawberries and hearts and stars, and love these little sort of like jigsaw pieces and things like that. So and there's shamrocks as well there too, which I didn't realise. So I quite like that. It's quite cutesy, quite girly. Then we have the Princess 11. I love this plate for this writing here. I use it quite a bit, or have done, and I really like that, and the little graffiti as well sort of too. I think that's quite cute. So that's a nice plate. That is Princess 11. There's a Fashionista plate, which is these kind of paisley patterns. I really like those too, and there's a couple of sort of mandala kind of looking patterns as well on there. So that's a nice plate for sort of unusual little shapes. Then we have Mother Nature plate number 3, which is just sort of owls and hedgehogs and leaves and trees and stuff like that. So that's a really cute plate, sort of either for fall or even springtime. You know, it's just a really cute plate, like a little woodlandy plate. Then we have the Festive 03. You've got to have this in your collection. This is a brilliant plate. You've got little bits of holly, snowflakes, these Christmas lights, which I love to use every year. I'm not very good at freehand, so I much rather sort of stamp. I find it easier and quicker. So I do love these plates for that, and I find that this Christmas plate here, it's got all the kind of basics, the essentials. So that's Christmas, the Festive 03. Then there's a bridal plate, which I haven't really used a lot of. It's kind of more lacy designs. It's Bridal 06. And then if you're looking for some affordable plates, which are really good, Born Pretty, I think their plates are actually really good. This one here is probably one of my most used plates, simply because of the variety that's on it. It has the like of the little autumn leaves, which I'm actually wearing at the moment, if you can sort of see. Don't know if you can sort of see them, but anyway, they are on my nail. I've just kind of blended them in very well. It's got roses and kind of exotic looking flowers and all sorts, so it's a really good generic plate, that one, and that is the Born Pretty Plate 024, so that's a good one to have. And then I just have a few little round plates as well, just the sort of the small sort of round plates. That's a wee Christmas one, which is great. I love that. These are a couple from eBay, which aren't that great. They don't really stamp very well. Just be careful of buying sort of, you know, sort of cheap on the internet, because usually you get what you pay for. There is a few images on this that do stamp, but for the most of them, they're not great. I then have a selection of scrapers. This one here is probably my favourite because it's so stiff. The little gift cards are good, but they're a little bit more sort of wobblier, so the stiff cards are brilliant. This is a plate holder for the round plates to keep them secure when you're scraping. This is the stamper that I'm currently using, which was lovely and clear when I first bought it, but then I'd actually put acetone on the back of it to wipe off some polish, made it all cloudy, and then I tried to paint over it with clear gel polish, but it's just still, although you can sort of still see through it, it's just not as clear anymore, so that's why I wanted a new stamper. These are kind of my backup stampers. They're a bit redundant at the minute. Most of these are kind of, I think this one's off Amazon, which was quite good. And I've just sort of collected these along the way. I'm not too sure. This is a Moyou London stamper, but I'm not that keen on this because it's a marshmallow stamper. It's really sticky. So as you can see, it sort of picks up all sorts of glitter and lint and stuff. So it's really, really sticky. So I'm just not that keen on that kind of stamper. I prefer the clear. I just think it's better for precision work and stuff. So that's the stamper bits, and then on to the polish, which is down here. These are the 4 little Moyou colours I have, which is a silver, a dark purple, a kind of almost sort of deep corally pinky colour, and then like a kind of sort of raspberry pink. Wouldn't even say raspberry pink, but just kind of more of a cool toned pink. I do have some of the Barry M High Shine, the jelly polishes. I find that the darker colours, so like the red, the pinks, the blues, and that, I think they stamp very well. These lighter colours, you really need to have a dark background for them. But they're, you know, they're okay. They're grand. The red and the pink's brilliant. I do have this one here by Moyou. I don't know if it's Moyou London or what. If it's maybe just a replica. I think I bought this off eBay. It's too much of a brassy gold for me. I prefer more cool tones, so don't use a lot of it. And then I have some other blacks. This is a brilliant black. This is the Pin Pie and the Conad as well too. So they're good blacks. And then I have some Moira. This is the gel stamping polish and the foil stamping polish as well, which is just, they're brilliant, those. I must actually do a how-to on those. So, and I'm gonna must buy some stuff from Moira. So anyway, so that's my collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just sort of wanted to talk you through sort of some of the stamping bits and pieces that I have, and hopefully I'll get round to showing you guys. I know some people do struggle with stamping, so hopefully I will get having a play and maybe do a video on it soon as well too. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week, and I will be back next week with another video. Any questions, just leave them in the comments down below and I will get back to you. So thanks for watching. Have a great one.